Alright, what's going on everybody? Broken Games HDR. So this is going to be a quick video. So if you follow me on Twitter, then you probably noticed that a post I made yesterday got quite a lot of attention. The post was a video of me using the PlayStation 5 DualSense controller on the Nintendo Switch. So in case you don't follow me on Twitter, I'm just making this video to inform anybody that may just watch me on YouTube or may come across this on YouTube and want to know how to use your DualSense controller on the Nintendo Switch. It's very simple. First, you need this adapter. This is the 8-bit DOE USB Bluetooth adapter, right? It cost about $20. I think you can get it for about $16 right now on Amazon. The company makes different controllers and different adapters, so you can use certain controllers on different platforms, and you can use this to use your like your DualShock 4 even on the Nintendo Switch. So this is not something new, but apparently some people aren't aware of this, because when I tried to use my DualSense on my Nintendo Switch, I wasn't surprised that it worked, because the DualShock 4 works on a Nintendo Switch, and so does a lot of other peripherals and controllers, and even fight sticks, I believe, because of this device. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm just going to go over and plug this into my Nintendo Switch. Alright, so I'm over here by my Switch, got the 8-bit DOE adapter, just got to plug it into the dock of the Nintendo Switch, which is actually kind of hard to do one-handed. Doing all of this one-handed is kind of hard. So that's plugged in. Let me turn on my Nintendo Switch. Got all the controllers over here. And my TV should come on. It's on. Alright, so pretty much what you gotta make sure is that the adapter is in pairing mode. I think it goes into pairing mode automatically. If you see that blinking, I believe it's pairing and it's looking for a device. So all I really have to do is just put my DualSense in pairing by holding the create and power button, and they should automatically sync. You'll know it syncs because it'll become solid blue. It's actually taking a little bit longer than usual. Let me press this. Okay, had to press it, and it's solid blue. That means it is now synced. Alright, so I've mounted my phone so I can actually use two hands to do a demonstration. So one thing that people were concerned about from my Twitter video was input lag, but as I can show you, there is no input lag. Like it's very responsive. My Twitter video might have seemed like there was input lag because I was pressing wrong buttons, because for example on the Nintendo Switch, this button is to confirm and this is to go back, and on PlayStation, Xbox, it's the opposite. So that kind of trips me up a little bit. So let me just play a quick game of Mario Kart. Yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. And of course my cat wants to make another cameo. Callie's now's not the time, Callie. Back up. Trying to do a demonstration video. Mind your business. So yeah, as you can see, the DualSense works completely fine with the Nintendo Switch. So please hit the like button to support this video and to help more people see it who may need to. And follow me on Twitter if you're not. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video, all right? Peace.